Hey, this is Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're taking a look at our bumper. You like bumpers? We got them. Hey, this is Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're taking a look at our high clearance front bumper for the 07 to 13 GMC Sierra 1500. This is our high clearance bumper. It's got some LED options. This particular one has got the single row 30 in the center and the slimline 10s on each side. If you choose the non-LED version, it's going to come with block-off plates for these locations. This is also a winch bumper. It's designed to accept any rough country winch. If you're going to use a different manufacturer's winch, you'll need to check clearance on that. As the name implies, this is a high clearance bumper. The lowest point is going to be the bottom of your frame. It allows you to run your factory tow hooks, or you can upgrade to our shackle kit as we've done here. With a winch installed, the fair lead mounts here to hide the winch behind the bumper. This bumper is made out of heavy-duty 12-gauge steel and comes with a durable satin black powder coat finish. So if you're looking to give the front end of your 07 to 13 GMC Sierra a facelift, the Rough Country high clearance front bumper is definitely the way to go.